So everyone, samantay, red. Nagisi. Yeah, so we ordered toys for our birds. So, yeah, be. Ikay open tay. Agoy giun sa man na pag-open.
Get money toys tay.
Be, tatay lang, move aside. She ordered this online, Lazada, and Ninja One delivered it.
Ah, I know it. That's a
Wow.
toy.
Colorful toys. Wow.
You're ready now,
It's
Ma.
colorful. Wow.
Put in there.
Let's put in there. Go.
I like it. Oh, ready.
Wow.
Bill.
Wow, there's a bell.
There's
Ayos. It's colorful. Oy, you open it slowly, otherwise you will broke it. Wow.
Ako po yung patingog. Ako po.
So, we will hang it like that. Hold it, may try ko no. Okay. Wow, colorful kaayo ha. It's so colorful. Okay. Put it here. Wow, kana. Mauli na. Diri oh. Uli na dati. Wow. Be. Ate be.
Ay lang ko anan ba?
Wow. There. This is six pieces. So we have here 1 and 2. Look at this one.
And 3 and 4 and 5.
The ladder.
Huh?
Baby,
Open. Ay, wait.
Abi. Piko mo ni kat.
Adi, anak naman na siya, tay. Anak na siya.
Ano?
Na. Marag makuan raman ni, mapiko-piko raman ni. Wow, their ladder. See? So this is, ano yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Wow.
Kini ako ano ni?
5. This one is for them to bite, to chew.
5.
So, how many na? We have 5 na. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wala feeder.
Ha?
Wala kay feeder.
Wala pa may deliver. Wala pa.
1.
And we also ordered feeder and linker for them.
6. This has 6, Mama.
6.
Yeah.
Ito na siya. Latay-latayan.
Parang latay-latayan. Wow.
Ano na siya pag
Wow.
Kini.
And then the last one. Bagting-bagting po.
Bagting kiling-kiling.
Be? Oh. So we have 6. So we have 6 toys for our birds. Wow, I'm sure they'll be happy with this. So this one is 503, including delivery. So we will put it here later because we're doing some things, we're cleaning some things here. Okay, so that would be all for now. Thank you for watching our video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay, sabi. Be mail dia, be kuyo ka dia, be mail mo. Ana. Ana, ge mail. Apil ka tay. Apil ka tay. Tay. Oh, man na, imo man nagikabuangan akong baby.
Sorry, be.
Be, babay na, be.
Babay na.
Diri tay.